our way together. January 2007 marks the establishment of the Secretariat of Higher Education in the Jesuit General Curia in Rome. April 2010, Mexico City, the first IAJU Assembly.
The theme of 2010 Assembly, Networking Jesuit Higher Education for a Globalizing World, Shaping the Future for a Humane, Just, Sustainable Globe.
Father Adolfo Nicolas, the Jesuit General Superior. The globalization of superficiality challenges Jesuit higher education to promote in creative new ways the depth of thought and imagination that are distinguishing marks of the Ignatian tradition.
Father Nicholas also suggested that it is time to consider forming a network being able to take advantage of our worldwide footprint. The new communications tools, especially the internet, will offer the possibility of meeting and sharing with one another.
July 2015, Melbourne.
The theme, Expanding the Jesuit Higher Education Network, Collaborations for Social Justice.
This assembly brought to the fore a strong desire to become a formal network. The consensus for an IAJU was expressed and endorsed at the closing plenary. July 2018, Bilbao.
The theme of 2018 Assembly, Transforming Our World Together. The Deusto Loyola Assembly in Spain launched the International Association of Jesuit Universities with the charter signed at the Basilica of St. Ignatius. Father General Sosa met with all 300 delegates as they addressed priorities set by the new board, outlined in the 2018 to 2023 strategic plan. The Assembly also launched projects on democracy, learning, and immersion, and formed commissions on justice, migration, and student exchanges.
Father Arturo Sosa, the Jesuit General Superior. We want to educate human beings who are able to feel that they are members of humanity because they have become critically aware of their own culture, who are capable of joyfully recognizing the culture of other human beings and relating to others. Interpreted in this way, universality can provide the impetus for social justice, fraternity, and peace. August 2022, Boston.
The theme of the 2022 Assembly, Discerning the Future of Jesuit Higher Education. The Boston College Assembly, delayed a year due to COVID, focused on the pandemic's lasting impact on higher education. While technology proved large-scale learning possible, student isolation affected mental health and performance. The rise of AI and threats to democracy were key concerns, as several institutions faced backlash over student free speech protests.
Father Arturo Sosa. The goal is to take advantage as much as possible of the enormous potential for collaboration and solidarity that exists in the universities that form this network. From 30th of June to the 3rd of July, 2025, Bogota.
The theme of this year's Assembly, Our Mission in Challenging Times. We invite you to take part in our shared reflection on the 6 challenges: democracy, students' well-being, secularism, artificial intelligence, migrants, refugees, and those on the frontier, environmental justice, responding to the cry of the earth and the cry of the poor. Let us write together the story of our societies, our university communities, and our association.
Welcome to Bogota.